sa kanila.
Mahal yung sound.
Dance! Ay, may nakikita kong hindi sumasayaw. Okay, group yourselves into two. You know? Yan. So, walang natanggal. Okay. Bilog. Ang layo, ah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Group yourselves into 3. 3. Ayun. 3. Natanggal si dalawang ate dito sa gilid. Ayan. Okay, dance. Ay, may hindi ako nakikitang sumasayaw. Tumatalon-talon lang. Okay, group yourselves into 5. 5. Ala, ginuyod. No, nakuha sa Be careful po.
Si Samsa.
Oh, paano yan? Sige. Out na. Paano yun? Apat din. Hindi sila magkahiwalay. Kuha kayo doon. Ay, oh, paano yan? Alam. Nauntit yan. Okay, let's count. 5, 5, 5. Okay, tanggal silang tatlo. Okay, next. Circle. Okay, dance. Ay, hindi sumasayaw. Dance. Okay, group yourselves into 4. 4. 4. Sobra kayo dyan.
Si Samsa.
Ala, tatlo. Okay? 4 kayo, 4. Yung isa 4. Okay. So, tatlo yung natanggal. Okay, circle. Okay, dance. Ala, hindi sumasayaw. Okay, group yourselves into 3. Ay, very good. Walang natanggal. Okay, group yourselves into 4. Wala din. Okay, circle. Okay, group yourselves into 6. Bilangin ko nga. Bilangin ko. Sakto ba? Okay, bilog. Apaka-competitive, ah. Okay, circle ulit, circle. Okay, group yourselves into 7. 7. Oh, paano yan? Nala, oh, naghihilaan. Sige. 7. So, tanggal agad yung 5. Okay, 7 na lang sila. Yan, para mabilis. Okay. Circle and dance. Dance kayo. mamaya. Ayan. Okay. Group yourself into 2. Okay. Sige. Hiwalay ulit. Group yourselves into 3. Ayan, nahuli si Adi. Ayan. Okay, lastly. Okay, layo ulit. Layo. Layo. Hindi yan malayo. Malapit yan. Okay, so group yourselves into 1. Okay, into 2. Yun, nahuli si Scarlett. Okay. Hector. Kuya Hector, ang dalawang panalo po.